Hi everyone, it's Fran here. Recently I made a video on kalimba and ukulele, and it was a cover of the Pokemon Center theme, and Charlemagne over here suggested that maybe a ukulele tutorial of the chords that I used would be really helpful. So here you go, thanks Charlemagne. I would like you to grab your ukulele, and I'm gonna explain the strumming pattern in this too, because that has been heavily requested on some of my previous videos, so I want to help you guys out as much as possible. Go ahead and grab your ukulele. Doesn't matter what kind, mine's a little bit bigger, but if you've got a little one, that's cool. It's always the same tuning. And I want you to start out by tuning it in the standard tuning, which is G, C, E, A, okay? Once you're all tuned up, I'm going to put the chords on screen. Not sure what side they're going to appear, but I'm going to put the chords on screen for you so you can follow along. There's only 3 basic chords in this. It's C, G, and F. Okay? And the strumming pattern goes like this. Okay? So that's down, down, up, up, down, up. So when you're ready, let's go. And that's it, guys. It was quite simple really, wasn't it? But if you are struggling and you're new to ukulele, please feel free to slow down the speed of this video. I know a lot of people find that quite helpful. So please do that. Tell me how you got on in the comments. I haven't included the melody in this video because, well, I haven't worked it out for the ukulele. But if you would like me to do that, I can do that too and maybe pop it up in a future video. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!